HVAC people!
Alright, we got a no cool call. Got to get an early start this morning. Got a lot of calls today. I usually get, well, it's early for me. I usually get started at 9 for my first call. We're going to get started about an hour early this morning. We got a no cool call upstairs here. See if we can get some footage. Alright. Right, so 2 years ago, I replaced the compressor on the downstairs unit. You hear this one buzzing. So that's the new compressor I put in on that one there. This one is just buzzing, so hopefully this one's just a cap. Like I say, they just replaced the compressor about 2 years ago. So hopefully, see, I put the filter dry in here. This sucker been rusted out in 2 years. But this downstairs unit had this same style filter on there. But let's see what's going on with this. This the upstairs unit right here. The fan or the compressor is not turning on, so it's probably a cap. Bad cap. I got a lizard on here. So this is a 45.5. It's swole. I'm not gonna even check it. I'm just gonna replace it. But I know it's bad. All this stuff, you ain't gotta pull out your meter or nothing like that. You know it's bad, just go ahead and replace it. I don't need to plan around with it. And if you just so happen to put a new capacitor in there and still don't work, then you have to investigate. But that's the easiest way to test the capacitor. Swap it out. Alright, I'm gonna speak with the homeowner. But I know he's just gonna want me to replace it. I got one in the truck, so they're gonna take a picture of it. I don't know if this lizard helped it frying it out or what, but definitely bad. Alright, so for safety reasons, we are gonna have to pull the meter out. Check. Should have 0. Let's go from leg to leg. 0 and 0. Alright. Purple and red is the common. Alright, I do want to check mine, make sure it's good. MFD. 43. 4.7 for the fan. Guess I probably got some new subscribers or new watchers, so let's go ahead and check this top one too. Make everybody happy. So I'm going from common to the compressor, and I'm getting 0. So the cap no good. 0. See that? We ain't running no scams out here now. We ain't running no scam. Meter don't lie. get more, a little bit more experience, you see it's bulky like that. You know it's probably bad. So I'm rotating this around for my common to be closer to that contactor. Even though you can't see the what you call, you can get a Sharpie or something. We'll do get a Sharpie on now. But we don't want to stretch our wires, so I want the terminals closer to the wire. So red and purple. What's the common? I think the orange was the hermetic. And then that's it right there. We're gonna check this incoming power. It's fired up, see what it do. We on to the next one. What time it is? 8:29. Like I say, this is an old customer of mine. They text me this morning, say they upstairs were down. When can I fit them in? I told them we're gonna put them on the first stop. See if it pays off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See, the compressor kind of quiet, but you can hear it. You can hear it run. I'm getting 9.5 amps. A little small compressor. If the only thing was running was the fan, I'd be, for this leg one coming from the disconnect, I'd be getting like 1.1 or something. If only the fan was running. So that's how you know your compressor running though. Drawing like 10 amps. Alright y'all, thanks for watching though. We're gonna move on to the next one.